Hi, hello. In this session, we'll discuss about set. Like lists, sets are also collection of data, but they are unordered. Set elements are unique. That means duplicate elements are not allowed. We can modify a set, but set elements must be immutable. So how to create a set? A set can be defined with curly braces. So for example, if we want to create a set with curly braces, this is how we can create. So this is a set. Now let's see the type. So it says set. A set can be created in another way too, using built-in set function. The set method accepts any iterable objects as an input. So for example, is equal to set any iterable object means we can take list as well here. List is an iterable object. Now let's see what is it, right? So now as we discussed, the insertion order is hi, hello, bye, but when we display, the order is misplaced. So as we discussed, set does not maintain order. So here we provided list. We also can create a set using tuple also is equal to set tuple 1, 4, 2, 3. Now let's see. So there is the set. Now let's pause the list with duplicate entries and see the behavior of set. So we'll create a set with duplicate entries 1, 3, 7, 3, 7, 1. Now if we print, it has removed all duplicate entries and keeping only unique elements. So now strings also iterable objects. So that means we can create a set using a string. Let's try. Now s equal to set and a string Python. Now what is s? So the string is broken into characters and each character is considered as an element here. So this is the same behavior with list also. Just for your information, we can create a list Python, and if you see uh, here in the list also, the string is broken into characters and each character is considered as an element. But the only difference is list maintaining the order, but set does not maintaining any order. We can create a set with the different types too. Um, like lists, we can add any types here. Now let's add float also. Now if you see, it has different types. Now let's create a set with tuple as an element. So now ABC, comma 3, comma 6, comma add tuple 3, 4, 5, 6. If you notice, tuple is acting as an element. Now let's try with a list being element of a set. Now we'll just modify the same with list attribute. It is not accepting. So in the initial session, we just discussed about it. A list accepts another, sorry, a set can accept any iterable objects which are immutable. In this case, list is mutable. That means you can change elements of any list. That's the reason set is not accepting list itself as an element. But tuple, it's immutable. That's the reason set accepted tuple as an element here. So let's see few Python inbuilt methods how to find a length of a set. Now here, this is our set. We can use Python built-in method length, which gives number of elements in the set. So similarly, there are a couple of other operators like in, not in. Now is ABC string in set yes, it says true. So similarly is 100 not in yes, it says true because 100 is not part of the string. Let's see few operations on set. So first we'll start with union. What is union? When you apply union on two sets, it combines all elements and return a single set. So, so this returned set will be a new set. It's not going to modify existing sets. So S1 equal to 2, 3, 4. S2 equal to 6, 7, 8. So one way of doing union is S1 pipeline S2, which returns a new set with all elements combined together. So set also provides an inbuilt method called union. Let's try that. S1 dot union S2. So now you get the same result. So we can use more than two sets on union function. Let's define another one. S3 equal to 7, 0, 9. So now S1 dot union S2, S3. So it combines all these three and returns us. So now let's look into intersection. Intersection returns common elements between sets. Now recreate sets. 1, 2, 3. S2 equal to 3, 4, 5. So common element is 3 here. If we perform intersection, it should return us 3. So you can use AND symbol to perform intersection. Also set inbuilt method intersection does the same thing. S1 dot intersection S2 returns the same results. So now similarly you can find difference between two sets. It's a simple operation S1 minus S2. So which returns which removes common elements and returns us the leftover things. Now similarly you have update method on S1 dot update, just add S2. So now what is S1? So S1 is combination of S1 and S2. So one thing you notice that we have performed union before, but union was returning a new set. It was not modifying existing set, but update method always modifies the existing sets. It won't return new set. That's the difference. There are other methods like add, remove, but they work on individual elements. So for example, S1 dot add and a new element. Now if you say the element has been added. Similarly, removing an element, s1 dot remove 100. So now if you notice 100 has been removed. So this is about sets. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.